Gelato print on demand. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you about Gelato and how you can use it to make money online. So without wasting any more of your time, let's just jump into it. So gelato.com or gelato, I don't know what it is, but I'm sure that you guys understand. So Gelato is a print on demand website, and what that basically means is that you will have to find products and you can have your design printed on them, and then you can just sell the products, right? Like, you don't even have to find the products for yourself. All you got to do is find the design. Gelato will do everything else. They will provide you the product, they will provide you with the shipping, they will provide with the product manufacturing and selling of the product. Everything will be handled by Gelato. All you got to do is upload your design or make your design and then just sell it, and it's pretty simple. And over here at the top we have products over here, so we can see what kind of products that they sell. Let's go ahead and do that, see what kind of products that they have. So over here they have the product catalog. So we have apparels, we have wall arts, mugs, we have book covers, cards, calendars, stationery, and tote bags, which is pretty cool, which is a decent catalog over here. And in apparels we have t-shirts, hoodies, sweatshirts for kids and babies, and underneath wall art we have posters, framed canvases, and stuff like that. So they have a pretty large amount of products that they sell. So let's go ahead and do that. So in integrations, this is I wanted to show you guys. So basically we have Shopify, we have WooCommerce, Squarespace, BigCommerce, Wix, and Etsy. What that basically means is that if we have an account on either of those websites, we can connect it with Gelato, and then we can sell our products from Gelato over onto their websites, onto those websites. And if we have products on those websites, we can sell those products on Gelato as well. So basically we're connecting both of them and selling all of the products on each other. So now that we know a little bit about this website, let's just go ahead and sign up. So to sign up, all you got to do is click on get started on this button over here, and as you can see, all you gotta do is just simply sign up with your email address or sign up with Google. I recommend signing up with Google because it's quite a lot easier and it saves you quite a lot of time, and you just simply sign up with just a single click of a button. And once you have done that, they're basically going to ask you, what is your goal with using Gelato? So launching an online business, selling products to my followers, shopping for myself, just exploring, earn money as an affiliate, or I want to grow my business. So let's just say that I want to sell my product to my followers. And what is your strongest online channel? So let's just say that I have a YouTube channel or my site or others, and let's just not lie, I don't have that many followers. Let's just say I want to launch an online business. All right, so over here the products, I'm gonna sell apparels, and okay, so I can choose only one. So I'm gonna choose apparels and click on finish, and that is basically it. So once you have signed up, you can go ahead and connect your store through Etsy or add products onto your store. You can add company, add a credit card for payments and details, and then you can place your order. So let's go ahead and click on connect our store with this button. So we have Shopify, we have Etsy, we have WooCommerce, Wix, and Amazon, Magento, we have Weebly API, we have many more. So let's go ahead and connect our Shopify account. So click on connect, and it'll open up the Shopify application, and it'll ask you to add the Gelato print on demand. So actually, let me just go over to my other email, and over here in applications, let's see if we can find it. Okay, so is it Gelato? No, it's not over here, which is pretty weird. Let's go ahead and add the application real quick. Gelato, so we need to sign in. Let me just go ahead and enter in my email address over here. So I've signed in into my Shopify account. Let me just go ahead and see how it looks like. So over here, as you can see, it's connecting. They're about to install Gelato print on demand onto our application. Let's go ahead and click on install application, and Gelato API is being installed. Let's just wait a couple of seconds and see how it will look like after it's done installations. Okay, so it's done. Everything is automatic. Paperwork is automatic. Great. Finish setup. So as you can see, it's done. Now let's go over to our product catalog over here. So let's just assume that we want to have some t-shirts or hoodies made. So let's go ahead and click on t-shirts, and over here we have a couple of different t-shirts, right? So let's try to find a t-shirt that will look good. So let's go ahead and click on this one and click on start designing, right? So this is how you basically create products on Gelato. So over here, you'll basically, add your design. Now, if you don't have a design, you can go ahead and create one yourself. So you can create one either by going over to Printify and looking for different designs, or you can go, which is what I usually do, go onto Canva. Now, once you're over here onto Canva, simply click on posters because that's the squarish type thingy, right? So its aspect ratio is going to blend in pretty nicely. So now what we can do is we can just simply enter in a couple of different elements over here, like graphics, right? So over here, like this one. Now this one looks pretty sweet. So all we got to do is just simply put it over there. Like I'm just using that as well, right? Or we can put it in the center, however you feel like. That's basically it. All you got to do is download it as a PNG and just download it. And once it's done that, let's go back over here and just simply click on add new image over here, my device, pick the image that you want and wait a couple of seconds, right? This image is going to be shown over here, I think. Okay, yeah, it's a simple drag and drop. So as you can see, this is how it will look like. So it's pretty simple. It's really nice. Let me just go ahead and drag it over here, right in the corner, or maybe like over here. Like as you can see, it's pretty simple. It looks pretty sweet, right? It's pretty nice. And then you can add a different text, right? You can add some text over here. You can add layouts as well. You have settings. You can add graphics or collections. You have files and everything. You can even add things on the back as well if you feel like it. So once you have done that, all you got to do is just simply click on add to order, wait a couple of seconds. And then once the product is done over here, as you can see, the product is done. And then all you got to do is continue to shipping, and that is basically it. So it's pretty simple, right? This is basically how you shop. Now let me just tell you how you basically sell your own products. So over here, as you can see, we have connected our store. Now what we need to do next is we need to add products. So let's go ahead and choose that. Same process all over again. That was one for the buying it. Now we're basically, selling it. As you can see, we have quite a lot of more options. So files over here, choose the file, choose the image, drag and drop over here. That's nice. Continue to media. And over here, you will have your mockups ready. Over here, you have other things. So once that is done, just simply click on continue. And then down below, you have your other details such as the length, the prices, the inches, and everything else. So it's pretty simple. You ain't gotta do anything else. And once that is done, just simply click on continue to prices. And over here, just simply enter in the prices that you want. So as you can see, this is pretty expensive. So let me just go ahead and lower the prices real quick. So let's just say that it's worth 1500. This one is medium. Let's say it's worth 1600. This one vice versa, 1700. 1800, and then 2000. And once that is done, all you gotta do is just simply click on publish and wait for it to be published, and just a couple of seconds. Wait a couple of seconds because it's publishing over onto our Shopify account. And once that is done, it's basically easy. So as you can see, it's done. So that is basically it. Let's go ahead and see how it looks like. Let me just go over back to our home, I guess. So over here, now that that's done, we can add the company details, we can add credit card, then we can add a place order, our first order, and that is basically it. And that is how you basically use Gelato to create products, buy products, and then sell them products, and how you can earn money from using Gelato. So the process is pretty simple. So this is the order. You can create a new order by clicking on the new order button. It's simple. It's really simple. And there are quite a lot of options that we didn't get, such that were available to us if we were having Gelato Plus. So let me just show you a little bit of pricings as well. So right now it's a free plan. So we get the classic product mockups, 2 store connections, and 2 user accounts. But if we had a plus account, we'll have 1-click product expansion, automated fulfillments, live shipping rates, creative bundles with 4 print on demands, design apps, 10 store connections, 10 users, and 30-day free trial, cancel anytime, which is pretty nuts. So as you can see, we can't have apps. If we wanted to use all these different apps, we need to have Gelato Plus. And there were quite a lot of other options in product catalogs, right? We couldn't access them as well because we didn't have Gelato Plus. So if you want to use these options, or then you can go ahead and use them for $6.99 per month, which is going to be billed monthly, and for annually, it's going to be a total of $95. So keep that in mind. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notifications. And having said that, I'll catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.